everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about 7 driving habits that I consider to be the absolute worst. I mean, there are a lot of bad driving habits that I don't like and that most people don't like, but I definitely consider these 7 to be by far the worst ones, the ones that I hate, and in fact the ones that most drivers hate, because all of the drivers that I've surveyed absolutely hate these 7 horrible driving habits. I don't even want to call them bad driving habits because they're horrible driving habits. Anyways, without further ado, let's stop beating around the bush. Let's get right into the video. Driving habit number 1, that is probably the worst one by far, is following too closely. Now, the following distance that you keep between your car and the car in front of you plays a huge role in your level of safety and the level of safety of pretty much everyone around you. If you follow too closely, you might be in an unsafe driving situation. If you look in your rearview mirror and you see that person just riding so close to your rear bumper, it's probably going to frustrate you. It's very, very annoying. It is probably the worst one, which is why I put it first on this list. Now, I apologize about the poor lighting. I'm actually, filming this at the last possible moment that I could today, but I really wanted to get this video in because I'm passionate about these 7 horrible driving habits, but it's the content that counts, so just listen to my voice and you'll get exactly what you want from this video, hopefully. Number 2 is weaving through traffic. We've all seen that person. Maybe we've even been that person at some point in time. You're in a rush or you want to show off and you're just going lane to lane. Vroom, 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 vroom. It is a horrible position to be in. Not only does it put you at risk, but it puts everyone at risk and it frustrates all of the drivers. And to be honest with you, weaving through traffic pretty much won't save you any time. You might save a few minutes, if even that. But for the most part, you're not really going to save any time, so it's almost like a waste. It's a risk without a reward. You're basically risking everything by weaving through traffic, and the reward is basically nothing, which is, saving a few minutes, which really is basically nothing. Moving forward to number 3, another worst driving habit is running red lights. And I say this because a lot of the people that do this think that they're running yellow lights, but in reality, they're running a red light. We've all seen it happen. You're waiting to make a left turn at an intersection, and the person that's in the oncoming lane, the light turns yellow. You're like, oh, I'm assuming they're probably gonna stop. So you start thinking about going, and then all of a sudden you see them gassing it and just flooring the gas pedal, and they fly through a red light, and everybody's in an unsafe driving position. It's as simple as that. So it's just a horrible driving habit to have. It's as simple as that. Moving forward to number 4. Horrible driving habit number 4 is merging onto the highway too slowly. Now, when you merge onto the highway, you should, as well as you can, try to get up to the highway speed limit. And you want to try doing this as much as you possibly can. If the speed limit on the highway is 100 and the flow of traffic is going 100 as well, you want to try and reach 100 before you get onto the highway. I hate merging onto the highway and the person in front of me is going 55 and they get onto the highway at 55 and they cause a huge traffic holdup, all because they're afraid to floor the gas pedal. Listen, there's nothing wrong with flooring the gas pedal when you need to. If you got to floor the gas pedal to get onto the highway at the right speed, do it, because merging too slowly is a horrible driving habit. Number 5 on the list is driving distracted. Now, I'm not going to be your typical person that's like, oh, you know what, blast, listening to your music is driving distracted. No, it's not. You're still focused on the road. Talking on your hands-free phone is distracted. No, it's not. You're still focused on the road. I'm talking right now to the camera. My focus is still on the road. I'm still watching everything. In fact, I sometimes find that I'm even more of an extra cautious driver when I'm filming, because I find that I'm on edge. I'm frosty, as they say. Frosty, I'm sharp, right? So I'm just talking about driving distracted as in, oh, you have your phone out, you're looking at your phone, you're texting, you're on the phone like this, you're waving your head around, like extreme distractions, like doing your makeup, fixing your hair, shaving. I've seen guys shave while they're driving. Come on, man. You're gonna shave when you're driving? Buddy, that's unhygienic. Never mind, it's distracted. That's unhygienic. Get with it. Anyways, if you shave while you drive, I'm sorry. I know it's probably very productive. You can save a lot of time, but I just, my wife would kill me if there was like all my facial and my head hair all over the car. Anyways, I mean, she would really get angry with me. Anyways, moving forward, driving distracted was number 5. Number 6, we got a little off topic there, but that was fun. Number 6 is blasting music. And you know what? When I was younger, I'm not gonna lie, I played my music really loud. And sometimes now I'll play my music loud, but I will keep my windows up so it doesn't disturb everyone else. And I'm not talking about blasting like full blast. I just mean like loud enough where you're singing, you're nodding your head, you're in the zone, the music zone. If you blast your music with the windows down, what are you? Oh, sorry, that was just a little thing over here because it's raining. It's letting me know that. Side note, sidebar over here, because it's raining and it's snowing, it's letting me know that the actual driver assist systems, some of them are obstructed, like the radar over here in the mirror. So sorry, just kind of scared me when I heard that beep. Wanted to make sure everything was okay with the car. Anyways, if you blast your music with the windows down, what are you trying to do? Show off? You trying to disturb all the drivers around you? I mean, I hate it for the most part, so it just really bothers me. I mean, I understand when you're young you do these things. Most people do them, but have some respect for the people around you. Maybe there's a baby sleeping in the car beside you. Come on, have some respect. Grow up. It's as simple as that, okay? Last but not least, the 7th horrible driving habit is parking too close to one side or the other, or just taking up 2 parking spots in general. Horrible. I absolutely hate it. When you try and pull into a parking spot and the person beside you is parked like right on the line or taking up 2 parking spots in a packed parking lot, come on. Take some pride in your work, take some pride in your parking, and just park your car properly. It's as simple as that. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this video so I can actually pull over and clean the obstruction off of the windshield over there, just so the radar system can work again. So I'm gonna finish this video. Hopefully you liked it. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.